bottom. Just as such. So, when we've got this, we want to right click, go back into object mode, right click, shade smooth. What we're going to do is we're going to go to render, let's go to cycles. Now this is going to be glass, so what we want to do is go new, and we're just going to type in glass on here. And what we want to do from here, principal BSDF, and we'll go to glass BSDF, and just turn down the roughness on this as well. So we should now have glass just in the background here. I'm just going to go ahead and add a plane, just so that we can see that a little better. And we should have a light in this scene as well, but I can't really see it that well, so let's find this light. Just bring this to the side. Oops. Bring it up a little bit. And then I'm just going to bring it to the side as well. Okay, so now we just need to do this one as a wood kind of colour, or you could do a bronze kind of colour. Let's see, if you want to do bronze, just put the metal up and the roughness down. So for this as well, we're going to need some liquid inside of it, some sort of thing, if this will allow me to do it. Come on. Right, so if we're doing a Halloweeny kind of look on this, what we want to do is we're going to go to add. Let's go to circle. X-ray again, so we can see what's going on. I'm going to press 1. I'm just going to bring this circle up to the middle. What you want to do is follow the contours of the inside parts. So we're going to go edit mode. We'll press F to begin with. E for extrude. Scale this outwards. E for extrude. Scale this outwards. E for extrude. Scale this outwards again. And then we can go E for extrude. Bring this up in the middle. Scale this outwards. And then E for extrude. And we can just scale inwards. Just on that one. So with this centerpiece right here that we have, we could go ahead and have this as glowing materials. We can go ahead and have this as different ones. So I might put this as an emission. So we've got this kind of toxic green kind of liquid on the inside. And maybe we could just end it there. Maybe we could just have the toxic green on there. I'm going to edit the IOR though. Just kind of make it glass, but not quite as much. So yeah, that would be a little jar with some questionable material in it. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's slime or something. I don't know. But yeah, whatever your imagination wants to put out there, I guess. So yeah, that will be the tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.